Cosmic Polarity, a teaching by Yogamaharishi Dr. Swami Gitananda Giri Guru Maharaj Ki from his Yoga Step by Step, Lesson 47. We are alive because of a harmonious interaction between our planet Earth, its satellite moon, the sun, which cores its part of the solar system, and our galactic and cosmic source. If any single part of the cosmic harmony is disturbed, we are influenced. Indeed, we may suffer greatly and perish. We all are aware of the effect of the moon on the water tides of this planet and the heave of the earth crust during the ebb and flow of a lunar cycle. We observe the effects of solar rays flung into our ionosphere from our sun and the effects of sunspots on the penetration of solar rays into the atmosphere. The increased danger of ultraviolet rays burning the skin and the effects of sunspots on our ability to concentrate and meditate. Bypassing comets are seen to affect us emotionally and mentally as they wayfare through celestial space. Whatever their effect, we are affected because we are a part of the whole universe. As above, so below. Though our Earth spins madly on in time and space, we are blissfully unaware of its daily complete circuit on its polar axis. Yet, if our planet were to slow down, we would be the victim of a slowing centrifugal force, affecting immediately the fluids of our body and especially our blood. If the speed of our planet were to increase, we would suffer a resultant centripetal aggravation, creating a whole range of new physical and mental disorders. Good old Mother Earth remains a safe and sure mother for us, while the polarity of the planet remains as it is. The slightest shift of our planet's molten core would change the magnetic poles, and life as we know it on Mother Earth would have to change drastically. Earth scientists claim that this has happened many hundreds of times over the millions of years of the life of planet Earth. This accounts for the strange fact that we find tropical jungles as cold seams thousands of meters beneath the surface of the Earth, and the petroleum products which bring up from the bowels of the Earth are the remnants of long-gone insects and swamp plants. We find seashells thousands of meters up the new mountains of the Earth like the Himalayas, the Andes, and the Rocky Mountains. The mind is awed by the past Earth changes. When the Earth lost its polarity briefly, imagine what would happen to us if we lost our own personal polarity. Every cell in the human body has a duplicate polarity to the planet Earth. Just as our mother planet is bombarded by cosmic neutrinos, so also our body is constantly penetrated by these fast-moving energy particles. Perhaps science will soon decide that these energy particles are the prana we talk of in yoga at its cosmic level. The prana associated with the breath we breathe is stimulated within our atmosphere by the bombardment of cosmic prana from the very core of the cosmos. This prana maintains the polarity of every cell in our body if we are good, deep breathers. The electrical potential of our cells is vitally maintained by the anion-cation exchange of energy. Electrolytic balance of each cell is the result of this prana breath cellular interaction. Electrolytic balance is maintained whether we are standing, sitting, kneeling, squatting, lying face prone or supine on our back. If we are healthy, emotionally well balanced, and good, deep breathers. For those who are morose, destructive of thought, negative of emotions, hypochondriacal, and shallow breathers, the natural polarity suffers through entropy. Cellular polarity is lost and the cell dies. Whole organs may be affected and ultimately the complete body. We suffer much by default, not knowing that the great secret of life is in the breath. Yogis have discovered this vital knowledge and have passed it on to their followers. Hence, in yoga, the directives to eschew bad habits and debilitating vices, to leave off harmful foods and those which distort polarity, leaving us depolarized. Yoga as union could be defined as right polarity.